1960s. In 1965, Everett Clifford acknowledges to the police that he has been gay for 24 years. In 1967, Everett Clifford is sentenced to prison as a dangerous sex offender, and this sentence was backed up by the Supreme Court of Canada. In 1969, Trudeau's amendments passed discriminalizing homosexuality.
'70. 1971, Everett Clifford is released. 1978, Canada gets new Immigration Act in which homosexuals are removed from the list of inadmissible class. 1979, Canadian Human Rights Commission recommends in its annual report that sexual orientation be added to the Canadian Human Rights Act.
(1980) Bill C-242 is the bill which prohibits discrimination based on sexual orientation doesn't pass. 1981, more than 300 men are arrested at 4 gay bathhouses in Toronto, which is the largest mass arrest since the War Measures Act was invoked. 1988, Sven Robinson of the NDP party goes public about being gay. First one in Parliament to do so.
(1991) Delvin Wren, who worked at the University of Edmonton, is fired from his job for being a homosexual. The Alberta Individual Rights Protection Act does not cover discrimination based on sexual orientation. 1992, Canada lifts its ban on homosexuals in the military. 1995, the Supreme Court rules on the case of Jim Egan and Jack Nesbitt. These were 2 gay men who sued Ottawa for the right to claim special pension under the Old Age Security Act. The Supreme Court ruled against them. In 1999, the Supreme Court ruled 216-55 in order of preserving the definition of marriage as a heterosexual one.
(2002) The Ontario Superior Court rules that prohibiting gay couples from marrying is unconstitutional and violates the Charter of Rights and Freedoms. 2002, Toronto City Council passes a resolution calling the common law definition restricting marriage to opposite sex discriminatory. In 2003, the Ontario Court of Appeal upholds a lower court ruling to legally allow same-sex marriages. In 2003, Jean Chrétien announces legislation to make same-sex marriages legal, but churches and other religious groups are allowed to sanctify marriage as they see it. In 2003, Stephen Harper fires MP Larry Spencer after he said homosexuality should be outlawed.
2004, Supreme Court rules that the government can change the definition of marriage to include same-sex couples. No change mentioned to the Charter of Rights and Freedoms. 2005, the only provinces that same-sex marriage are illegal are New Brunswick, the Northwest Territories, Nunavut, Alberta, and PEI. 2005, first military gay wedding in Canada occurs in Nova Scotia. 2005, Bill C-38 is made the law which gives same-sex couples the legal right to marry in Canada.